Hello dear viewers, hope you are well. Welcome to my channel Health is Beauty. Today I will show chicken Manchurian recipe. What is chicken Manchurian? It is basically of two types. One is made using chicken mince. Its gravy is based on soya sauce. The other one is made with diced chicken that usually made in oyster sauce and tomato ketchup gravy. It is the best chicken Manchurian recipe. It is my guarantee. Let's see the ingredients for marinating chicken. "350 grams boneless chicken breast, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, half teaspoon white pepper, salt to taste, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Garlic paste, ginger paste, white pepper, salt, 1 egg without separating it. Mix well and marinate chicken in that. So this one way in my first marination. In this I have not added cornstarch. Leave it at least for 45 minutes without cornstarch. The chicken will be softened and then add cornstarch. If you leave it overnight in the fridge. The egg yolk and white pepper will soften the chicken. But if you add cornstarch now, the cornstarch will pull the marination and would not let it go in the chicken. People often say that add cornstarch in the marination, but I always say marinate the chicken with cornstarch later. So marinate the chicken and leave for 45 minutes without cornstarch so that the flavor goes deep inside the chicken and the chicken becomes soft. And 15 minutes more after adding the cornstarch, and then I will fry it. Add cornstarch with the chicken pieces. It is the second marination. And now add oil in these chicken pieces. Mix well and now marinate it for 15 minutes at outside. Put the chicken in the oil. Fry on low to medium heat till cooked from inside. Do not stir it immediately. After adding the chicken, let it get some shape first. Whenever you fry, have a little patience. It should be juicy, not crispy. It takes about 3 minutes. Transfer it to a plate. Now I will fry rest of the chicken. Fry on low to medium heat till cooked from inside. See the texture inside of the chicken. It is juicy, not crispy. It's perfect. Once you get the shape, then stir it so that it doesn't break. It is done. Now transfer the chicken on the plate. All chickens are ready. Grated ginger 1 tablespoon, grated garlic 1 tablespoon, 3 chopped chilies, 1 green capsicum, 1 red capsicum, 1 onion petals. 4 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 2 tablespoon coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon black pepper, salt as per taste. Mix water with cornstarch. Cornstarch slurry is ready. Add oil, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, and green chilies. Fry it for 1 minute. Diced onion, diced bell pepper, fry it for another 1 minute. There are lot of ginger, garlic and chilies because this is the base of chicken Manchurian. Oyster sauce, tomato ketchup, one teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 cup water. Now mix well. Now add fried chicken. Cook over high flame. Now the remaining rawness of the chicken will be cooked in this way. It is very important. Manchurian chicken should be juicy. Add coriander leaves. Now mix it. Stir cornstarch slurry. Then add to the chicken. It will thicken the gravy. Now bring it to boil. It is done. Now transfer the chicken on the plate. Garnish with spring onion and coriander leaves. It is the time to taste. See the texture inside of chicken, it is very juicy. The chicken is juicy, tender, and the taste is amazing. Please do try and enjoy it with your family and friends. Put your valuable comments in my comment box. Your comments always inspire me. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for being with me and watching my YouTube channel Health is Beauty.